Good afternoon. This is Akhilesh from Harvel Azud. I am in Chandrala village near Gandhinagar. Mr. Harsh, he is a farmer as well as engineer. As an engineer, he has done such a beautiful design. You can see this is the inlet being fed to hydrocyclone, followed by Harvel Azud disc filters. So the treated water from this hydrocyclone goes in the disc filters. So the important thing I would like to introduce here, that these filters are being treated with, backfills with treated water. Like I would like to request Harsh Bhai to show how it is being backfilled.
ये वाल को पहले हम बंद कर देंगे.
This inlet is being barred for this filter.
और फ्लशिंग वाल को ओपन कर देंगे.
Flushing valve he has opened. And
Cleaning water
as it is, this valve remains open, and this filter at the same time takes treated water from here and being backfilled from here and being drained, right? And this valve is closed, so inlet is barred. So this is how this system is being semi-automatic, and without any major maintenance, this is continually performing very nice. So this was it about. Thank you guys. Thanks to Harsh Bhai for giving us time.